Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond BTech and I am Sai and I am on a mission to bring you high value life changing career content for all the engineering students across India. And today I am going to break down the latest Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0 update mail. Whoever selected for batch 1 has received the mails about their official confirmation they have entered into the internship. So in this video I am going to break down everything you need to know about the mail. I will tell you about the onboarding experience, how the classes will go on and what the time schedule. So stay till the end of this video because every detail in this video is super important for you. Let's start by reading the latest Infosys mail together. Dear intern, congratulations on successfully completing the document verification and securing your internship with Infosys Springboard. Consider this mail as a formal confirmation you are a part of Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0 Batch 1 and internship completion certificate will be provided for eligible interns after successful completion of internship. And use attached template to share your internship on social media. Don't forget to tag Infosys Springboard, and they also mentioned that mentor and project details will be shared shortly, and they also mentioned that you have to must attend the mandatory session on Agile Methodology. This mail is super important because it confirms you are into the internship program. Now you know you are in the batch 1 of Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0. It also sets some expectations such as you will get a completion certificate if you finish the internship requirements, and they have given you a template so you can proudly share your internship news on LinkedIn, Instagram or any other platform. And remember, don't forget to tag Infosys Springboard and they will soon send you details about your mentor and specific projects. So check your mail daily. And finally, you must attend the mandatory session on Agile Methodology. And let's break down about the Agile Methodology session. Firstly, it is scheduled on August 11, 2025 and the timing is in between 5 pm to 6:15 pm. And click the link provided in your mail to join the meeting. I also mentioned the meeting number and meeting password so that you can join it manually. And the session is mandatory. Don't miss it. Missing key sessions can affect your attendance percentage and your eligibility for the certificate. So you must join the session. And let's talk about the onboarding session. Firstly, Infosys announced that your internship classes will start from August 11. Classes will be held in weekdays only. On Saturday and Sunday, there will be no class for you. You will receive the class links every day in your registered mail. So always check your inbox and you also check spam and promotion folders before the class time. And the classes are crucial for completing your internship, and they also mentioned 85% attendance is mandatory to complete your internship. And Infosys is very strict about attendance. You must maintain at least 85% attendance across the internship period, and failing below 85% could result you in not getting your completion certificate or being disqualified from this internship. That means you can only miss a limited number of sessions and only for valid reasons. And if you face any issues, you should contact the Infosys support immediately. So plan your schedule well and attend every class on time to secure your certificate and make the most of this program. And Infosys has also attached a beautiful template in your mail so you can announce your internship on social media. Just you have to add your photo on it and you can share it anywhere on any social media platform too. And don't forget to tag Infosys Springboard on it. And Infosys also mentioned that mentor and project details will be shared soon. That will include your assigned mentor who will guide you through the internship and your project brief, objectives and expected deliverables. And be patient and keep checking your mail because this information is crucial to start working effectively during this internship. Now here's what I recommend to make the most of this Infosys internship. Firstly, prepare your laptop and internet connection so you don't face any technical issues on attending the sessions, and set daily reminders for your class timings. Take notes during every session. It will help you during assignments and when completing your project. And engage with the mentors and your fellow teammates. Ask questions and participate actively and complete your assignments on time. Infosys tracks your progress through these tasks and aim for 100% attendance even though 85% is mandatory because it's a great habit for your professional life. And that's all about the detailed video on Infosys Springboard latest update. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to Beyond BTech so you never miss any update from Infosys Springboard. And don't forget to check out my channel Beyond BTech. I have uploaded latest internships and hackathons from biggest companies in the world, and I have also uploaded some of the job roles which are eligible for 2025 and 2026 passouts. So don't miss any opportunities. Go and check out my channel Beyond BTech. Scroll through the homepage, you will see gold mine of opportunities there. So go through every video and apply to the every opportunity you are eligible. And if you don't want to miss any opportunity, subscribe to channel and turn on the bell icon and share this video with your friends. And until then, keep learning and keep going. This is Sai signing off.